The absolute infinity is essentially an external extension that can be considered for infinities in mathematics. It has been distinguished from other types by adding the term absolute to it because it literally embodies existential perfection. The reason for this is that existential perfection is infinite in its possibilities, and everything on the level of absolute existence, free from all flaws and dualities. This is why it has been called absolute. Absolute infinity is, therefore, synonymous with existential perfection. It can be divided into three types. 1. The first state, absolute existential perfection. It means that something is at the highest level of perfection in terms of existence itself, surpassing any deficiency or flaw, with nothing able to affect or diminish it. In other words, it is absolute perfection, not just in form or function, but in existence itself, as if it were something that cannot change or be influenced by anything else. 2. The second state, found in the created world, represented by von Neumann universes. Cumulative hierarchy in set theory in the created world, represented by von Neumann universes. Cumulative hierarchy in set theory. Existence follows a structured, infinite layering process. Each level builds upon the previous one, forming an ever-expanding framework of mathematical reality. This concept aligns with the idea of absolute infinity, where every stage transcends the former, yet remains part of an overarching, boundless hierarchy. The cumulative nature of these universes mirrors an infinite recursion, where no ultimate boundary exists, and each stage encapsulates an ever greater complexity. The third state, Reinhardt cardinals, which stack every conceivable and inconceivable mathematical number, represent a level of mathematical infinity that transcends conventional cardinal hierarchies. These cardinals surpass even large cardinal axioms, encapsulating an ultimate form of mathematical abstraction, where all definable and undefinable numbers coexist. This concept aligns with absolute infinity, where every structure, no matter how complex, is merely a fragment of a greater incomprehensible totality. Previously, absolute infinity was referred to as just infinity before the emergence of set theory. However, the term absolute was added later to avoid confusion. In summary, applying absolute infinity to a fictional verse grants existential perfection.